Hey, my name's Paul Reno. I am a 20-year paintless dent repair technician in Asheville, North Carolina. I am the owner of Asheville Dent Repair, and we are here today doing some estimating and repairs on hail damaged vehicles from last week's storm. We want you to know that we are here to support you in repairing your vehicles and restoring them to the absolute pristine factory condition as they were before the hail hit. So typically when a vehicle is hit with hail damage, it can cause a severe amount of dents around the vehicle, on the hood, the top, and sometimes on the side as well. We are masters at repairing all the dents on your vehicle, as well as doing an intensive estimating process and working directly with your insurance company to get them to pay for the repairs. We make the process easy for you by offering pickup and drop off of your vehicle, as well as providing free estimates on your vehicle. So if you received hail damage in the last storm, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can call us at 828-475-5806, or you can fill out an online form at AshevilleDentRepair.net.